Today we are going to be making 2-ingredient lip stain. What you will need is some coconut oil, any brand will do. I use the organic. 1 crayon of the color of your choice. A small glass bowl or some kind of small glass so that you can mix everything in. A plastic spoon, you can use metal, but plastic's a lot easier to clean. And a little jar to hold your lip stain in. First, you're going to take about a teaspoon of coconut oil, place it in your glass, and stick this in the microwave for about 20 seconds just to heat it up. While that's heating, you want to take the paper off of your crown, just like that, and you want to crush up your crown. I find the easiest way to do this is just put it in between a paper towel and get a mug. The easiest way to do it is just to press down and crush your crown, just like that, so it breaks up into little pieces. The smaller the pieces, the easier it'll melt. And we're going to put all of the crown pieces in our glass. Once you have everything in the glass, you want to put this back in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. You want to remove this from the microwave. Be careful, it is hot. And then take your plastic spoon and just make sure everything is mixed together really well. And you want to take your hot liquid and you want to pour it into your lip balm container. Then we're going to put the lid on it, and just you can let it sit out for about 5 minutes on the counter and it'll harden pretty quickly, or you can put it in the freezer for about 30 seconds. Now, while that's hardening, a little trick to clean out your glass. All you want to do is place this in the microwave, back in the microwave, for about 10 seconds. And remove it and just wipe your glass out so that you can reuse it for a different color. So I've cleaned up everything and it's been a couple minutes. I'm going to get the lip stain out of the freezer. And there we have it. Probably cost about 3 cents. How beautiful that is. And voila! You have 2-ingredient lip stain made with coconut oil and a crayon. I hope you like this video. I hope you try it. It's fun for kids and adults. Anyway, have a great day.